You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that.
All right, you guys. So I thought I'd bring you along with me today while I do what I eat in a day while going to work. First thing, I have the zero sugar coffee of mine. This is the caramel chocolate one. This is so good. I just have the regular Dunkin' Donuts K cup, and I drink that. But first, I drink lemon and cucumber water. Next, I was sitting with a patient today, so I end up only eating this keto bar for breakfast. But here is my lunch. This is my favorite thing to get for lunch. Just chicken, vegetables, and cheese, and the zero sugar sweet Gold Peak. I'm so proud of Gold Peak for making this. So proud because this is no point. Now, going home, you know I'm going to make me a good dinner. So tonight, I am going to make some garlic butter jerk salmon over top of some broccoli. Let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so now we are going to just make the sauce to go on top of the salmon. Once it's finished, we are just going to melt this butter, and then we're going to put jerk seasoning in it with a little bit of garlic and parsley. And once the salmon is done, we're just going to pour this right on top of it, and we're going to let it seep down. That way it can kind of spill over onto the broccoli. So when we make our broccoli, we're not going to season it at all because we want this garlic butter jerk to just kind of spill all over top of the broccoli as well.
Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, hasn't known always been this wrong or this bad. But after some time, I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never, till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become moon. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon.
Alright, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.